How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in today's video we will see how we can set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up WhatsApp application in a mobile device. After that, you have to select a contact, or you can simply select your own contact. After that, you have to send a picture that you would like to set as your profile picture on WhatsApp to this contact. For that, tap on this pin icon and then tap on gallery. Now you have to choose the image that you would like to set as your profile picture. Once you're on this page, navigate to top menu bar. There is an option that says SD. Tap on it. Make sure to turn or to select the SD mode. After that, you will get this option that says standard quality or SD quality. Tap on the second option, that is SD quality. Now once this photo has been sent to SD quality, you can simply send this photo to the contact. Now once the picture is sent, you can go back and tap on the three dot icon from the top right corner, then tap on settings, then tap on your profile icon, and then again tap on the profile icon. Now if you navigate to the bottom of this interface, there you get the option. First one, either to take a picture from your camera, second one to upload it from gallery, or simply upload an avatar. Now to upload an image, tap on the second option that says gallery. Now here you will find the image that you have recently sent. You can simply crop this image out, or you can rotate this as well. Once you're done, simply tap on the done option from the bottom right corner, and with that, now your profile picture will be uploaded. So that's how you can set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.